Helo, da ni'n fyw, we are live. Wales yma eto, gwasanaeth Sesiwn. Wales here again from Denbighshire Youth Service. I'll start the show as we always do at the beginning of every show with some house rules on how we use this platform. So it's the same way that we would operate any youth club or any youth provision that we deliver across the county ordinarily, but we are unable to do at the moment, obviously. Hi Gemma, people are connecting, fantastic. So yeah, it's about respecting each other, respecting each other's comments, respecting the platform, not saying anything silly in the comments, no swearing, no bad language, and don't share too much personal information, so locations of where you live, or your locations. Jasmine, Yasmin, yeah, Yasmin, hello, Joe, how's it going? Yeah, don't share too much personal information, or personal information about other people who may not want their information shared on here. So yeah, it's just being respectful and being kind to each other. And that's what we're doing. So, right, not in Gymraeg. Mae'r sesiwn yma gyd yn ddwyieithog. Mae'n groeso ydych chi gyrru negeseuon ni yn Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, a na I gyfieithu nhw ar nhw'n dod allan. So, a quick note to bilingual, to the Welsh and bilingual. This is a fully bilingual platform. You are more than welcome to send me your messages in either Welsh or English, and I will do my best. Hi, Mikey. I will do my best to translate and send them back out to the airwaves. Ali's on board. Hey, how's it going? Oh yeah, people are creeping up. This is great. Oh no, we'll say that at the end of the show. Keep people coming in now. Keep people coming in. Right, staying connected. Again, as I say in every show, this is one medium that we are using as a service to connect with young people. We're also using our Facebook and Twitter, WhatsApp and emails, and a whole host of other things. So if you want to get in contact with your youth worker, your regular youth worker, not this guy here, the person that you're used to working with, then please do contact us through any of those platforms. So like I said again, Facebook, so at DCC Youth Service, or just search for Denbighshire Youth Service, they will come up. Send us a private message, or if you want to discuss anything of a private nature, these are the ways to contact us and contact your usual youth worker, and I will direct you on. I know lots of young people have been doing that, and I have been passing you on to the relevant youth worker in your area or with the specific problem that you've been inquiring about. So yeah, please keep doing that. And also please keep sharing this information. Let's keep building this community. It's going exceptionally well. This is show 11. 11 shows we've done. We've been active for 2.5 weeks now. So they're going really, really well. The numbers are creeping up. The views are going up. It's really, really good, really positive. But if you know any young people out there, if you know any of the young people out there who you think might benefit from this service and benefit from this kind of engagement, then please do send the links on and pass the information on, and let's keep building this community. Because I believe, breaking news, just now, I didn't get a chance to read it on my phone, but I think that the lockdown period has been extended. I haven't quite finished reading the article because we were going live, hence why we had a slight delay coming live today, but I understand that the First Minister for Wales has already extended it, and I think now central government has as well. So something for us all to keep our eye on. Right, who do we have connected today? We have Gemma, we have Morgan. Oh, we'll hear some more from Morgan today. Exciting news. Yasmin, Joe, Mikey, Ali, Jess. Yes, guys, come on. Anybody else who's watching, please do comment. I'd love to know who's watching. I'd love to know who I'm talking to, so keep it going. Oh, how's the quality this evening? Are we okay? Somebody let me know. Are we okay? Are we stuttering, or is my mouth moving in time? Is it? Sure it is. Yeah, please do let me know if the quality is better this evening. There were a few technical hitches halfway through the show last night. Thank you all for sticking with and continuing to watch through that. Jessica says, yes, good, better than yesterday. Joe, great. Gemma, great. Mikey, good, pal. Morgan, no, you're all good. Yes, fantastic. Okay, cool. Oh, we've got Lisa. Oh, we haven't seen Lisa for a while. Hi, Lisa. Yeah, cool, excellent, spot on, brilliant. Right, today's show. So, this show is called Connected, and today we are going to be connected through the medium of a quiz. So that'll be fun. Everybody can take part, really, really fun. This quiz was sent in by one of our amazing youth workers who's based in the north of the county, Joe. Joe has sent this quiz in. So yeah, brilliant. And I think Joe is actually watching. So Joe, you cannot take part on that particular section. Great entertainment while I'm eating my dinner. What are you having for dinner? Yasmin, let us know what you're having for dinner. We're really keen to know. I'm having chicken for my dinner this evening. Please do let me know. I want to know. Right. So we've got the quiz to do this evening because this is the end of the week. I should point out this is the end of the week. It being Good Friday tomorrow and then Easter Monday on Monday. Boo-hoo, you ain't going to see me till Tuesday. But corned beef. Oh, I love corned beef. I like corned beef hash. You know, when you mash it, corned beef into mash. Proper like early 80s meal to have when I was growing up. Brilliant. Corned beef, lovely. So this will be the last show for this week. We'll be back on Tuesday. However, not all is lost. We'll have loads of things to post with beans. Oh, Yasmin. Oh, corned beef and beans. Oh, forget that. Chicken, corned beef and beans is on the menu tonight. Yes, very good. So this will be the last show for this week. I'll be back on Tuesday. However, I've got loads of cool things to post over the weekend. I'll fill you in at the end. Yes. Right. Oh, what else are we doing today? So, we have had, last week, we had our movie review. So some of you may remember, one of our youth workers, Tids, came on. Oh, Tids' vids. Tids came on. We'll get to Tids' vids at the end. Tids came on and he did a film review of a film called Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle. And I believe we gave it 3 cows out of 5. Those of you who remember that show, we came up with a ranking system, how many cows. It made sense if you watched the show, but now I guess it's a bit out of context. But I think we should continue with the theme. So today we have a very familiar face for our regular viewers. We have a familiar face coming on to give his film review. If you just bear with me a second, I will find our today's guest and we will give him a call. And he is going to do us a film review of something to keep you all occupied and busy over this bank holiday weekend. So this is our today's, bear with me, whoa, so exciting. This is today's film reviewer. Oh, I hope this works now. I hope this works. Today's film reviewer is imminent. Good evening, Kelly. Good evening, Lisa. Yes. Oh, look who we have here. Hello, Morgan. This is Morgan for regular viewers of the show. Morgan is the one who beats everybody in the quizzes and has amazing comments. And always, yes, that's right. Morgan.
Oh, stop it.
Sesiwn, boy, how are you? Morgan, I've just been filling the guys in, and no doubt you've been watching as well. Oh, that's my living room in the bottom corner there.
Very nice.
Thank you. I've just been filling the guys in. Are you going to do as a film review?
Yes, I've got 2 films I'm going to review for you.
Cool, fire away. What's the first film?
So, first film for anyone who loves Disney films or anything.
Hold on.
One of my personal favorites is a film called Starstruck. So it's a Disney film. It's about a teenage boy who was a pop star, and the girl sets off to find this teenage pop star and try to get close to him.
Yeah.
So it's it's really interesting for the family. So if you're interested, manage to get Starstruck. It's not on Netflix, but it's on Amazon Prime, I think.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, that's the first one. So I should definitely check that one out for starters.
Brilliant.
So second one, we've got a film called Hours. So if you can see that.
Oh, okay.
A film from by Paul Walker.
Yeah.
So Paul Walker's known for his Fast and Furious films, of course. Yeah.
I know that guy, the guy with the blonde hair.
Yes.
That's the guy. That's the guy.
So it's about a guy named Noel, who is a husband and is about to become a father.
Ah.
And he sets out on a mission in this hospital because a massive hurricane is about to come in. I think this was placed in 2005.
Right.
But anyway, he sets, and sad news is why he dies as the child is born.
Whoa, don't give too much away. Remember, don't give too much away the film.
Oh, no. But his mission is to set out to protect his daughter.
Ah, brilliant.
While this hurricane is going on.
So you highly recommend it?
I highly recommend the two films, Starstruck and Owls.
So, Starstruck, out of 5, how many cows are you going to give it?
I definitely give that a 4.
4 cows.
4 cows for Starstruck, yeah.
And how much for hours?
Oh, definitely a 5.
Oh, 5 cows. Super.
5 cows
Hey, Moggs, let me try something with you. Thank you ever so much for coming on the show. Brilliant. Great suggestions. Can we do a virtual high 5?
Yes.
Ready? Sure. Come on then. Ready? Go. Yeah! Thanks, Moggs. Brilliant. Diolch yn fawr, Tim, ar y sioe. Thank you very much. Get on the comments. People will want to know your things. Cheers, mate. Cool. Speak to you in a bit.
All right.
Diolch, Moggs.
Yeah.
Oh. And that was Morgan. That was Morgan doing his amazing film review. So, Starstruck had, was it 4 cows? And ours 5 cows. So those are Morgan's suggestions. What are people saying? Lisa says, "Oh, I love watching it 5 minutes." What's the watch? Let me catch up. I've been a little bit off the marks here. Now TV, going to watch Ours. Yeah, Jess is going to watch Ours. Oh, cool. It's based on a Jacqueline Wilson story, according to Lisa. Oh, that's good. Oh, cool. Very good. Some people are suggesting that you can do free trials when you sign up to things. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, but I think, did Mark say that one of them was available on Netflix and Amazon Prime? So, yeah, you can check those things out. Fantastic. Right, the numbers are creeping up. This is brilliant. What's next? Oh, diolch eto, Morgan. Thank you again, Morgan, for taking part and being our film reviewer. If you would like to be our next film reviewer, please do get in contact with us and get in contact with us through Facebook, WhatsApp, email, message on here. We need a film reviewer for next week now. Let's see. So, no, the 4 kids are in this film based on a book. Oh, is that thing with a little creature that's just come up on Sky? Yeah, that looks really, really good. Right, yes, Brill, Morgan, very good, Morgan. Right, what's next? Next, we have a quiz. This quiz was sent in to us by Joe, fantastic youth worker from the north of the county, based in the Prestatyn area. Those young people who attend Prestatyn Youth Club will be very familiar with Joe. And she has sent us in a fantastic, fantastic quiz. It's really, really simple. Once I find it on my phone, it's very, very simple. Here we go. Right, okay. Oh, crikey, I've gone to the wrong one. There we go. Okay, right. This is how it works. I am going to, it's called 10 Clues. Anybody ever heard of 10 Clues before? So basically, I am going to give you a theme. Shall I give you an example? So I'll start with an example so everybody's on the same page. I've got a score sheet here as well. So the example is, I'm going to start reading. I'm going to give you a topic, and this topic is, this is a name of a place. This is a place. Then I'm going to start reading you clues. Clue 1, clue 2, clue 3, until somebody tells me what the place is. It'll all make sense when I read the example. If you get it on clue 1, first person, if you get it on clue 1, you would get 10 points. If you got it on clue 2, you would get 9 points. If you got it on clue 3, 7, and descending. The thing makes more sense as we go along. So I'll give you this example now. So first clue would be, I have my own language. So this is a place. I have my own language. Clue 2 would be, over 3 million people live here. Clue 2. Clue 3 would be, the red kite flies here. Clue 4, Offa's Dyke is to my east. Clue 5, Edward I built lots of castles here. Clue 6, have you heard my choirs? Clue 7, I'm good at rugby. Clue 8, Doctor Who was filmed here. Clue 9, my capital is Cardiff. Clue 10, I'm west of England. So somebody, one of those clues would have said, Wales, it's clearly Wales. So as soon as you know what it is, you type it in the comments box, okay? Everybody on board? Once you clock your score, I'll put you on my little score sheet here. We'll fire away. Are we all good to go with our clue? With our quiz? Right, let's start with the first one then. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Okay, right. Here we go. For all you live viewers. Thanks, Morgan. We'll take a look. Yeah, great review. Yeah, let's go. Okay, Ellie. Oh, Elio's on board. Elio, let's go. Elio, let's go. Let's have a quiz. Okay. Clue 1. I'll put it out there and I'll hang it in the air. First person to comment the answer wins. Right. Clue 1. This is a creature. This is a creature. Okay. I can be brown. Nothing in the comment section. Clue 2. Or black and white. Nothing in the comment section. No. Clue 3. Sometimes I have horns. This is clue 3 for 7 points. Oh, Alison gets it. Alison, spot on. It was a cow. So Ali, we'll put you on the board. Ali, what did I say that was? That was clue number 3. So you would have got 7 points. And everybody starts jumping in. We got Morgan's got a bear. Bears don't have horns, do they? Oh, I don't know. I think we might have found a quiz that Morgan is not going to win. Sarah jumped in with cow. Kelly Owen, ram. Kelly, I put cow. Yeah, you did. But did you put cow before? Ali, no, you didn't. Yasmin, deer, close. No, Ali gets the points, 7 points. I should say it's the first comment that I see. Oh, let's see. Kelly says that she definitely put hers first. Kelly, no. No, not on my screen, Kelly. First one I've got on here is Alison. Right. Next one. Okay. Right. Oh, this is an object. Okay. Too slow. Yeah, too slow, says Sarah. Right. And Jess is very competitive. Oh, Kelly is competitive. Kelly, you're not going to like this then. Right. Round 2. 10 clues. This is an object. Clue 1. Over 6 billion people own me. Over 6 billion people own me. Clue 2. I've been around for over 40 years. Oh, Elio, a phone. Yes. Very good. Elio. What was that? That was clue 2. So 8 points to Elio. Very good. Right. Right, who's next? Oh, what's next? Oh, okay, so yeah. Okay, this is a film, right? This is a film, right? This is a film. Reading down in descending orders. Clue 1. My opening scene is on Tatanui, a planet with 2 suns. I came out in 1977. I was originally part of a trilogy. Come on, Morgs, where are you? And later on, they made 3 prequels and sequels to this film. George Lucas made me. No. Oh, Sarah gets it. Star Wars. Very good, Sarah. It carried on to talk about R2-D2 and all them. So first one that came on my screen was Sarah. So, Sarah, you had it on clue 6, which means you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, is it? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Right. Kelly doesn't watch films. Well, Kelly, stick by. These are not all films. These are different things. Like this one, for instance. Kelly, this might be one for you. Keep your ears tuned. Right. Well done, Sarah. Yeah, well done, Sarah. That was a really hard one, actually. It was proper film nerd stuff, that was. Right. This is name the thing. Name the thing. I'm easily broken. Lol. No. I'm easily broken. Clue 2. I stay in the same place. No window, not glass, not bone. Here comes the next one. But I don't stop moving. I stay in the same place, but I don't stop moving. Oh, Ali, well done. It was a heart. It was a heart. It went on to say, Miley Cyrus's dad sang about me. Don't break my heart. And I cater to trillions of cells. I pump thousands of litres a day. Yeah, it went on and on. But well done, Ali. You were flying in there then. You got it on clue 3. Yes, sir. That's 7 points again. Very good. Kelly, Owen, an ornament. I'm afraid not. It was a heart. I know these are good, right? Right. Very good. Next one. Okay. Right. This is name the object. And I'll give you a clue. It's a food. Okay, it's a food. Right. Are you ready? Ears are they ready? Fingers are they ready? Have me with ketchup. Have me with ketchup. No, not chips, because clue 2 is I'm great with chips. No chips. We've had chips. Not a burger, not a pancake. A pancake, have me with ketchup. Well done, Kelly. Not a sausage, Jessica. Put your sausages away. No. Okay, hold on. Next question. We've got burgers, sausages. No. You can cook me. You can put me in a sandwich. No, not sausage, not egg. You can keep me frozen. Clue 5, keep me frozen. Clue 6, I'm not always cod. Here comes the fastest finger. No, not a fish cake, Kelly. You were close. Not a fish cake. I'm orange in colour. Oh, Kelly Mattenshock, fish finger. Kelly, are you happy now? Are you happy? Are you happy? Kelly fish finger. You get 5 points. 4 points. 4 points, I think. We'll give you 4 for that one. Everybody's got in there now. Morgan, fish finger. Kelly says fish finger again. Yeah, we got it. No, she says finger. And Kelly Owen and Morgs. Well done, guys. Fish fingers. That was fish finger. Right. Next one. Here we go. How many of these have we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th one. Crikey, we're flying through these. Oh, no, that's a boring one. Oh, okay. I have 2 lives. This is a creature. I have 2 lives. No. Which is what amphibious means. Spot on. Well done, Elio. You got frog. My blood is cold. And that gives you 7 points. Oosh. Who else got it? Morgan Snake, Ali, Toad, Yasmin, me. Nice. Which bit was you? You're amphibious or your blood is cold? Keep us informed, but not do it in the quiz. There was also that people think you're slimy, so that could have been me. Right. Next one. Here's a good one. This is another food. Here's another food. Blood. Your blood is cold. Oh, don't say that. Right. What are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7. This is 7 of 10. 7 of 10. Right. I'm made with a protein. Food. I'm made with a protein. Clue 2. I can be smoked. Oh, chicken, no. Protein bar, no. Have me after a meal. Eggs, no. Tofu, no. Shake, no. Fish, no. Haddock, no. Clue 4. Have me with crackers. Ooh, posh. Salmon, no. Haddock, no. I can be cottage. Eggs, no. Ice cream, no. Cheese, Elio. Elio gets it with cheese. Well done, Elio. I can be cottage. Clue 5. That means that gives you 5 points. Or was it 6? 6 points. That gives you 6 points. Elio, 6 points. Elio in the lead. Well done, Ellie. Elio, the creator of the name of this show. Elio, well done. Connected. Stay connected with Elio and Wills. Very good. Right. Next one. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8th now. Mine was first, says Morgan. No, I'm afraid not on my screen, mates. No, I'm afraid not, Morgs. Fish, I've got on you for here. Right. Me too, says Kelly. Ooh, is that Morgan complaining that he was first? Oh, he is as well. Right, let's have a look. That's a boring one as well. All right, so let's have a look now. Let's get to the next ones. We are here. Oh, crikey. Bear with me a second. We are getting there. Right. Oh, here's a good one. Right. Are you ready? Oh, what's the comments? Mine was first, guys, says Kelly Owen. No, Kelly, it's what comes up on my screen. And I think there's a disjoint between what you see and what I see. But whatever comes up on mine is the one I take first, I'm afraid. The judge's rule is final. Right. Here's a good one for you. Kelly, see if you can be a bit quicker this time. I can make a squeaking sound. I can make a squeaking sound. No, I've never been to Jamaica. I have never been to Jamaica. Okay, a mouse. That's a mouse. No, it's not a mouse. A door. What? There's no doors in Jamaica, Elio? Come on. Morgan, a mouse. No, not a mouse. Sound is not great. Oh, no, is that true? The sound is not great. Oh, crikey, I'll try and speak a bit slower. Right, what was my question? Oh, yeah. I can make you go blind. I can make you go blind. Bird. Only if they fly in your eye, Yasmin. Clue number 4. People dream of me each year. A cobra. Cobra. People dream of me each year. What do people dream of? What do people dream of? I'm dreaming. No, who knows? I can hold up traffic. I can hold up traffic. Not a rat, Kelly Mattenshog. Not a spider. Jess, I can hold up traffic. A spider. Behave. No, I'm keeping watching the comment sections. I am flaky. Lightning, cone, angel, mole. No, guys. No. I am flaky. Hedgehog. No. Oh, Ali, well done. You fly. It's snow. It was snow. It went on to say, you can plow me, skiers rely on me, and so on and so forth. So what did you get it on? I can hold up traffic. That was 6. That will give you 5 points for Ali. Oh, well, Ali, you are very, very close with Elio. What that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 8. So this is round 9. Right. Right. I do what my name says. I do what my name says. This is a creature. I do what my name says. Question, clue 2. My Latin name is Musca. If anybody speaks Latin. I have compound eyes. Kelly Owen, well done. You are a fly. Very good. See, very, very intelligent. She speaks Latin, Kelly. So very good, Kelly. Kelly gets, what do you get, Kelly? You get 7 points. 7 points for Kelly. A goose. I have compound eyes. A goose. Oh, well done, Kelly. Everyone say it. Alison says a moose. No, it wasn't a moose, I'm afraid. There's a moose. I do what my name says. Moose. Maybe. Very good. Right. This, I believe, is the last one. And looking at the scores, I would say this is very tight between Ali and Elio. And I believe it's a bit of a two-horse race here, guys, and this is the last one now. Oh, and as it happens, a really, really good one. Fingers at the ready. I'm speaking to you, Ali and Elio. Put me on the wall or in your purse. Clue 2. I used to be silver. Clue 3. Not a clock, Ali. I could be concave or convex. You need me to shave. Not a picture, not a picture, not a poster, not a picture, not a photograph, not a picture. No, Ellie, not pennies. Next one. You need me to put makeup on. Kelly Mattenshock flies in with mirror. Well done, Kelly Mattenshock. That would have been 6. So you got 5 points there, Kelly M. Right, and everybody's got it now. Mirror, 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 mirror on the wall. Well done, Ali. Well done, Morgan. Well done, Jess, Yasmin, Kelly, Yasmin. And yeah, everybody, most of you got it right. Well done. Right, time for the scores. That was a good quiz, right? That was a really good quiz. And we need to come to the end of the show, so I'll do the scores really, really quickly. So that's 14. Oh, 9 and 7. Right, okay, so in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. In 5th place with 7 points, Kelly Owen. Diane Kelly Owen. In 4th place with, I beg your pardon. I got that wrong. 5th place was, who have we got on here? Who got points? Who have we got on here that starts with an S? I've made a mistake here. Who got 5 points? Oh, it doesn't matter. You were last anyway. Who's on here with 5? Never mind. 4th place was Kelly with 7. Yeah, well done, everybody. 3rd place. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yikes almighty. 3rd place was Kelly Mattenshock with 9 points. Oh, I beg, Sarah, you were last place. I've just seen it. Sorry, Sarah, you were last. Then Kelly Mattenshock. Then Kelly Owen. And the winner with 21 points is, that was so complicated, my scoring system. And the winner with 21 points is Elio. Well done, Elio. That's another prize bringing its way to you when all this lockdown nonsense is over. So I'll make a note of that. Elio is the ultimate champion. Yeah, well done, guys. Very good. Right, all I've got to do now for the rest of the show is tell you about what's coming up. So, like I said at the beginning, yeah, well done, Elio, says Ali. Well thought out. Well done, Ali, for coming second as well. Very good. You're very, very close. Ali, you had 19 points. Elio had 21, so it was very, very close. Good, guys. Good job. Right. Just to remind you, we're not here tomorrow, Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday, or Monday, because it's the bank holiday weekend, but I will be back on Tuesday. Please, if anybody wants to do the film review for next week, please get in contact. I'm looking at you, Ellie and Yasmin and Emily and all those guys. Come on now, we need you to get in contact. If you want to do a film review live, like Morgan did today, thank you again, Morgan, for doing that. That was brilliant. Hope you guys go and check that out. We won't be here until Tuesday, and I need a film review for next week. We will continue our theme next week with Wellbeing Wednesdays. Keep checking our Facebook page for videos. I posted another Tids vids today, Tids' Life on the Farm, and I posted another one of Jim's Garden Games, something to keep you guys busy there. I've also posted on our Facebook page, for those of you who are keeping an eye on that, latest information, info for schools and exams and what have you. The links are up there now, and information for parents as well. If there are any parents that are struggling about financial stuff or free school meals and all that kind of stuff, all up on our Facebook now. I've also posted an activity of the day onto our Facebook and Twitter today. Salt dough press hands things. I highly recommend you have a go at that. And next week, some exciting new faces. New faces are going to join us. So we've got Cysylltiedig, we've got James Garden Games. We've got now next week videos coming up from Jo doing cooking demonstrations. Really, really cool stuff she's making on her first show. She will be making an orange drizzle cake, and it looks delicious. So that's going to come up. I don't want Jasmine. I don't want to go back to school ever. Oh well, I think you'll find in the next couple of weeks that you'll start to miss it. I'm sure you will. I'm starting to miss work now, even though I'm still working from home. So Jo's cooking show. We have to think of a snappy title for that. Ellie, get thinking. Jo's cooking show, orange drizzle, and also some young people out there, you may have come across Francesca, one of our youth workers. She is going to be doing tutorials on hair and makeup, and that first video will be going up next week as well. So we'll have Tid's vids on the farm, we'll have James Garden Games, we'll have Jo's cooking show. It just sounds good like that, Jo's cooking show, and Fran doing hair and beauty. So loads and loads of content. Oh, and me, of course, here every day at 6 p.m. entertaining the masses. So yeah, keep sending it, keep sharing it, keep building this community, keep getting that message out there. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you all. Hope you have a lovely, safe weekend, and please, if you can, stay indoors. We just got to really, really push this now, guys. There's plenty to keep us busy. There's plenty for us to do. We've got films we've just reviewed to watch. We've got these old sessions to look back on. Yay! We've got all that other content. There's loads and loads of brilliant resources online for you to watch as well. So yeah, I just urge you all just to stay indoors. If you're lucky enough to have a garden, stay in the garden. Make use of it. Take those tips from yesterday's show, Wellbeing Wednesdays, and look after yourselves and stay safe. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wylio. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Have a lovely weekend. Bye. Bye.